Hey everybody, if you're interested in penny stocks, we got some great news. While penny stocks are generally risky, many thrive on their potential for outsized returns. We at TipRanks just introduced a brand new penny stock screener to make sure you're getting the most reliable data possible. How to use it? Go to tipranks.com. This is the home page. Go to research tools. You'll see screeners. Click on penny stocks, and here is the brand new page. It will first bring you to the penny stock screener. Just to give you an idea, here look, 1,350 stocks, penny stocks, out of 135 different pages. Now what you can do is you can filter this according to the sector, the price target, TipRanks unique smart score, with a 10 being the highest, news sentiment. You have the option of creating more filters to search based on, from analyst consensus all the way to media buzz. You can add different columns over here. You can add dividend yield, market cap, PE ratio, and more. What I like to do is click on article because, especially for penny stocks, I want to see everything about the stock that's happened in the past couple of days. And let's go ahead and choose upside of 20%. Smart score, let's do 8 to 9 outperforming. And that narrows it down to pretty strong stocks. And that's 39 different stocks out of 4 different pages. And if you like the stock as well, you can go ahead and click on it. It'll bring you to another page, and you can go ahead and follow the stock as well and get the latest notifications up here in the top right corner. Now, if we scroll down more, you'll see penny stocks latest news. This is just overall about all the latest penny stocks that they're talking about in the news. You can click on any article, go ahead and read up on them, do some due diligence on that side. And then if you keep scrolling down more, you'll get the most recent analyst ratings of penny stocks from a variety of different analysts, with 5-star analysts being the best. You can go ahead and click on them to see their full profile, how many times they've been right, how many times they've been wrong, everything on that end. Now, if we keep scrolling down even more, you'll see the most recent earnings on penny stocks. You'll see their ticker, or the last day that they reported, how they're doing, their forecast for EPS, their last year's EPS, and the year-over-year change. Now, lastly, we have the most frequently asked questions at the bottom. Hope you guys enjoy.